Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Wear nitrile gloves to avoid oil on the bulb. Park the Nissan Versa on level ground, apply the parking brake, and open the hood. Turn ignition off and remove key. Disconnect negative battery terminal to prevent short circuits. Use a 10 mm socket and a Phillips screwdriver to remove retaining screws and clips. Keep hardware organized in a tray. Allow the headlight assembly to cool for 5 minutes if recently used, and position a flashlight to inspect the bulb and housing clearly. Unfasten 2 screws and a plastic clip holding the headlight assembly, and gently pull the assembly forward about 3 to 4 inches to access the rear. Release the bulb retaining spring with a small flathead screwdriver, swing it away, and carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Do not twist. Inspect the socket for corrosion and compare bulb type to the replacement, noting markings like H4 or 9003 on the bulb base. Clean the housing with a lint-free cloth before installing the new bulb. Insert new bulb straight into the socket without touching the glass. Finger oils shorten bulb life. Secure the retaining spring back into place, reseat the headlight assembly, and fasten the 2 screws and plastic clip with the 10 mm socket. Reconnect negative battery terminal, turn on headlights, and test the beam alignment at night against a wall from 25 feet. Adjust aim if beam height exceeds 3.5 inches above level at 25 feet. Then tighten hardware and close the hood when alignment and brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.